At POC, or Point of Care, we help you be the best version of yourself by pushing learning beyond just training. What problem do we address? Ineffective trainings. What do? We help unleash the full potential of your employees. We help them become the best version of themselves. How do we do it? We push learning beyond just training. Our focus is more on applying knowledge rather than just training. Have we done this? We have been running this approach for our mother company, with over 1,200 employees, for the past few years. Why venture out? Other companies are not happy with their training approach. What do we believe? Good people will likely stay and be more productive with proper development programs. Our core programs: Serve to Lead, Serve, Lead, Succeed, Work Smarter, Getting the Important Things Done. Exceptional Customer Experience, Delivering Wow Experiences. The benefits of our services are: learning does not end with a training. Monitoring and support provided for application of learning. Group learning and coaching. Customized trainings. Trainings designed to address the challenge and objective of client. Our approach: participants attend the workshop. Commit what learning to apply. Provide feedback on the application of learnings. Provide a debrief of learnings. Participate in group mentoring sessions discussing the application of learnings. Let's discuss your training challenges today. Have a great week ahead.